Welcome to Brain Vision.
Let us first draw the rough velocity diagram for the given question. So this is going to be the rough velocity diagram, and this is y-axis, and here we have this. Now this is VW, this is VH with respect to W. So let's name all these things, all these velocities. So this is VW and this is VH. This is 40 degree and this is VH with respect to WX in X direction. This is V of helicopter with respect to W, and this is VH with respect to WY component. So now we can write the helicopter equation, that is VH. This will be equals to VW plus velocity of helicopter with respect to absolute velocity of wind, VW. So now we can write after applying the trigonometry to the relative velocity polygon. Let us calculate the relative velocity component in X direction using velocity of helicopter with respect to wind in X direction is equals to velocity of wind cos 40 degree minus velocity of helicopter. This is the X component of velocity of helicopter with respect to wind. So let us calculate this. So from here we get VHWX is equals to, the velocity of wind is given as 3 meter per second. So it will be 3 cos 40 degree minus velocity of helicopter is 2 meter per second. So it will give us a value of 0.298 meter per second. 298 meter per second. Now let us calculate the relative velocity in y direction. So now velocity of helicopter with respect to wind in y direction is equals to VW sin 40 degree. So it will be equals to 3 sin 40, and we will get a value of 1.928 meter per second. Now we can write the velocity component of helicopter with respect to the wind. So it will be equals to X component I plus Y component J. So let us put the value of X component as 0.298. It will be equals to 0.298 I plus 1.928 J. So this is the relative velocity of the helicopter with respect to wind. So this is going to be the final answer for this problem. This meter per second. This is in meter per second.